Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Berkshire Bank online banking application right on your Android device. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To download Berkshire mobile banking application on your Android phone, first make sure that you are connected to a Wi-Fi or a cellular data. Once you are, open up your Play Store. In the search box, type in Berkshire Bank application and perform your search. Once you find the application that says Berk Mobile from the Berkshire Bank, tap the install button to begin the downloading process. Now wait until the application gets downloaded on your Android phone, which should only take a minute. Berkshire mobile application lets you view and manage your online banking account right from your mobile device. You can check for recent transactions, make your payments online, and so much more once the application is downloaded. And if it is ready for use, you'll be able to see the open button popping up. Give it a tap in order to launch the app open. Now you'll also be able to find the application shortcut in your app drawer. That was how you can easily download the Berkshire mobile banking application on your mobile device. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.